Hey, I'm ALBO. I came to Japan as an English teacher, then moved near Tokyo to pursue my passions. I became a filmmaker because I love cars, Japanese culture, and a good story. I'm lucky enough to live the JDM dream, and so my videos are about my car life in Japan, where I go to car meets and visit shops, do track days and toge runs, build and review cars, and shoot vlogs, short films, and documentaries about Japan's car culture and history. Join me and my friends on our adventures and find out what it's really like in the land of the rising sun. So hop in, fasten your seatbelts, and enjoy the ride.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
10番線には鎌倉鹿島線到着を遅れました。
So today we are getting our marriage photos, but they are going to be the very traditional kind. Yep, around here we're going to take pictures. Your hair's so cute. This is my cameraman. This is Kaneko's brother. Yo. Sergio Taro. And he's a professional cameraman, so he's taking some videos today, and we'll use it to make today's vlog.
My wife. My wife.
Okay, just finished editing this video. Just so this video is not just completely about like my wedding life stuff. Let's go for a drive to the convenience. I'm gonna grab a beer and we'll talk about some car stuff. Alright, we're at 7-Eleven. It's been a long day, so let's grab a beer and then I'll talk a little bit about some things that are on my mind and then we'll end the video. Okay, first things first, couple things. I just love how this car looks at night parked in front of 7-Eleven. And isn't it amazing how good this camera looks? This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yeah, the low light is just crazy now. All right, let's get a beer. Gosh, I love this car so much. But I love my wife more, surprisingly. So got my beer and just a little snack. I'll eat that when I get home. All right guys, thank you for watching this video, and before I end it, let me just give you a few of my thoughts. Well, today was quite an interesting day. It was almost like a Ken Watanabe cosplay, but these were real legit wedding photos, and we were super lucky because we got pretty much one of the top photographers in Japan to take our photos. But huge thank you to Ryotaro for making that amazing video, and it's just gonna be an amazing memory to look back on. To tie this back to cars, guys, one thing I want to tell you is that more important than what car that you get or where you live, one of the biggest decisions in your life is figuring out who you're gonna marry and who you're gonna make your partner. I am super lucky to have found Kana-chan, and the fact that she supports me in YouTube and doing all this crazy car stuff, it's just incredible. So you guys have to make sure you find a good one, and the way to do that is you don't settle. You keep searching for what you want and you don't settle, and eventually, if you're a good person, you're gonna find that person who's right for you. What's pretty amazing is that, you know, living here in Japan, I was able to find somebody who was a perfect match for me. And Kana-chan is amazing because actually when I met her, she could barely speak English, but now she's pretty much fluent. I personally think it's incredibly important to learn each other's languages, so it's amazing to me that Kana-chan learned English, and I have been doing my best to learn Japanese, but these days actually her English is probably better than my Japanese, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, I've just felt incredibly blessed, and I hope that I can continue to show you guys little glimpses of what life is like here in Japan. You know, beyond the car stuff, like this is just my real life. Just got married this year. It's crazy. And yeah, I just feel incredibly happy, incredibly blessed, and thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, and I'll do my best to keep bringing you guys good content, but also trying to live my life to the best of my ability, and supporting my friends and family and my wife. Yeah, that's it. I know there wasn't too much car stuff in this video, but thank you guys so much for watching the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.